Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to edit listing on Facebook Marketplace, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Find the familiar Facebook icon on your home screen or in your apps list and tap it once. Give it a moment to load. You should see your usual Facebook feed with posts from friends and pages. If you accidentally open something else, just close it and tap the Facebook icon again. Once Facebook is open, tap Marketplace. Look toward the bottom or top of the screen for the Marketplace symbol. It looks like a small shop front. Go ahead and tap that icon, and the Marketplace home will appear, with items for sale near you. If you do not see Marketplace, you may need to tap the menu button first, then choose Marketplace from that list. From there, tap your profile or selling icon. On the Marketplace screen, look for your profile picture or a small person icon, often near the top. Tap that profile or selling area once, and the screen will switch from browsing items to managing your own activity. This is where Facebook groups all of your listings, so you do not have to search through the feed. Now tap your listings. On your profile or selling screen, you will see several options, such as buying, selling, or saved items. Find the one labeled Your Listings and tap it with your finger. The screen will change to show a list of all the things you have put up for sale on Marketplace. If you have many items, you may need to scroll a little to see them all. Next up, select the listing you want to change. Look through the list and tap once on the item that needs an update, such as a price change or new photos. When you tap it, the full listing page opens, showing the title, pictures, description, and price. A common mistake here is tapping the wrong item, so if the details do not match what you expect, just tap back and choose a different listing. After that, tap the Options button, shown as 3 dots. On the listing page, look near the top right or near the title for 3 small dots in a row. Gently tap those 3 dots, and a small menu will slide up or drop down with several actions you can take. These options only affect this one listing. They do not change anything else on your account. With the Options menu open, tap Edit Listing. In the list of choices that appears, find the one labeled Edit Listing and tap it once. The screen now changes into an editing view where the title, price, photos, and other details appear in text boxes and buttons. You are no longer just viewing the item, you are actually able to change its details here. Now make your changes. Tap on any field you want to update, such as the title to fix spelling, or the price to increase or lower it. You can also adjust the description, category, or photos, depending on what Facebook allows for this type of listing. Changes usually take effect as soon as you save, so if you do not like something you typed, you can simply change it again before you finish. When everything looks correct, tap Update or Save. Look toward the bottom or top of the editing screen for a button that says Update or Save, and give it a firm tap. The app will apply your changes to that listing, and you are returned to the listing view showing the new details right away. If you notice a mistake after saving, you can repeat these same steps and edit it again, unless Facebook blocks edits because of an active order. You have now opened Facebook Marketplace and edited an existing listing so it shows your latest details. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.